can applaud, ladies and gentlemen. He is a nice guy from Roma, Italy. Right, this is for the WBC International Bantamweight crown. Please welcome now the challenger from Mexico, Cesar Perico Ramirez. Cesar Ramirez, an excellent record, 14 contests, 12 wins, 6 inside the distance with only 2 defeats. Inside the limit, 8 stone 5 pounds 6 ounces, Cesar Ramirez. And now, ladies and gentlemen, time to meet the champion, undefeated from Belfast, Northern Ireland, Ryan Burnett. 13 contests, 13 wins, 9 inside the distance. Also inside the limit, we have a contest, 8 stone 5 pounds 4 ounces for Ryan Burnett. Thank you, gentlemen. We will see them tomorrow evening contesting the WBC International Bantamweight crown. Cesar Ramirez, Ryan Burnett.